got it working? Cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my blog, whatever you call it. Whew, I'm tired from a gig. Speaking of gigs, I'm a disc jockey. I've been a disc jockey since the 90s, and it's been a lot of fun. Do a lot of sporting events, weddings, stuff like that. Can you believe they make Elvis trading cards? They even make Elvis poker cards, believe it or not. You know, for like Texas Hold'em or poker or something like that. Yeah, Elvis playing cards. Wow, it's kind of cool. And what else? Alright, a little entertainment for you. Alright, and what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm not only about the Club Mars videos, I was thinking about doing music, you know, some short films, you know, jack of all trades pretty much. But I'm mainly a DJ and music pretty much, that's just me. And I hope you have a good day.